everyone, this is Sandy from Audi Dairy. I just wanted to give you a bit of a video of that ML that she was called in on. At this point in time, I don't have any Q7s, but again, the ML is absolutely gorgeous. And as I said, Jen took very, very good care of her car. She was regularly scheduled maintenance. She was always there, just to make sure it was well cared for. So I'm going to give you a bit of a tour. Please excuse, we don't have this car fully detailed yet, so while it's not dirty by any stretch of the imagination, on delivery it would be spick and span like a brand new car. So come take a peek through. Just confirm mileage, as I said, it's 73.5. Classic Speedo with the paddle shifters. We do have the black interior in here. You do have the navigation system with your Bluetooth, and everything is available here. I will, if you decide to purchase the vehicle, be happy to set up your Bluetooth and everything with this computer system and show you how to use it. A unique feature of buying your car from a Mercedes salesperson is I actually know how to use all of this. So we've got, I don't know if you can see this wood grain here. It's kind of like a blue-black gray. It's a really nice color. It goes well with the black interior. A little hard to tell with the light in here. As I said, black interior. We do have the sunroof. It's not a full panoroof. I don't think that became as popular until about 2011 or 12. But still a nice open expanse. Very nice expansive back seats here, 60-40 split with the center cup holder or happy divider between the kids if you do have some. That's usually how mine go. So lots of storage in the back. I'm going to give you a bit of a view back there that you can take a peek. So this vehicle does have running boards. Was a little on the short side, so it made it very, very handy for in the winter time, being able to get up and in out of the vehicle. This one is the calcite white. Now please bear with I'm going to show you the rims here. They are very dirty just simply because we have just changed the brakes on there, so we have a little bit extra brake dust. As you said, on delivery these would be beautifully polished up, but in the meantime they do need a bit of a wash. But you'll notice that there's no road rash or curb rash on it. I'll come through to each of them here for you. So again, in really great shape. Yours to destroy. So we do have the power lift tailgates here at the back. Trailer hitch, as I mentioned, right there. And lots of cargo space for those trips up to the cottage where you need to make sure you keep everything in there. So, I love the power tailgates. When you have your hands full, so much easier to deal with. So again, one more rim here on the far side. And then final rim. Bear with, it's pretty bright out here, so hopefully there's not too much glare from that on the screen. Now we have had a lot of people looking at this vehicle just due to the nature it's a diesel. In our market we have a lot of commuters that really look for that amazing fuel economy. So if you wanted to put this car on hold until you can come up and test drive it, I am happy to do that for you. If you decide you don't like the vehicle, it is fully refunded back. I just had a client do that on a TDI Passat that I delivered to him in the city actually on Monday. So if you have further questions, you just give me a shout back. I'll be happy to go over any questions you have and provide you some answers. I'll talk to you later.